On the top bar, click the Create button and select Create Client. The Create Client flyout will open, where you can fill in the basic contact info for the client. The most important thing is to add an email address, so you can send the client an email invite to the Client Portal website, where they can fill out your intake packet electronically. When you add the client's email and phone number, you also have the opportunity to ask them if they would like automatic appointment reminders to be sent to them. We'll review this more in the appointment reminders video. There are also options for different types of clients. Minors, which gives you the ability to add a contact for that client, like a parent or guardian, and couples, which allows you to essentially add two clients that are linked but can't see each other's paperwork. Click Continue. SimplePractice creates the client, and if you entered an email address for the client, you'll see the Send Intakes window. If you want to wait to send your intake packet, you can also close this window without sending. Next, let's walk through sending an intake form. First, search for the client and click their name to open their profile. Click the Share button in the upper right corner. Sending intakes, or sharing any documents with clients, has 3 steps: select documents, compose email, and review. Select the consent documents, questionnaires, and demographics form to send to the client. Click Continue to Email to go to the next step. This template email can be customized later in your settings, or you can make a couple tweaks now. Click Continue to go to the last step. On the review page, you see a confirmation of the documents to be sent and a link to access the email text. Click Share and Send Now. The welcome email is the first email that clients receive with the secure sign-in link to your client portal. When you click it, you're automatically signed in securely. First, you have a welcome message, which you can customize later. On the consent forms, the client can add their name to sign. Then, the demographics form appears. Last, any questionnaires or intake forms are presented. Once the document is completed, the signed consent form and intake form appear here as a PDF in their stored files. You'll see a line at the bottom with the client's name and the date and time they signed the document. This way, you can review intake paperwork before your session and use that time to really connect with your client.